Bench trial wraps up today. The judge is set to decide the verdict. This after attorneys make closing arguments this afternoon. The case involves Chelsea Cook, who's on trial charged with child abuse resulting in death. A child in her care died from hypothermia. The little girl, Alicia Morrow, she was just 4 years old when she died. WWT6 News' Chase Moffett was in the courtroom. He continues our coverage now live. Chase?
Yeah, John, the details of this case of child abuse on this trial are disturbing from the start. Little Alicia found wrapped in plastic in the basement. Now, today, both the state and the defense made their closing arguments. Prosecutors said from January 2nd to 3rd, Chelsea Cook sent Alicia to her room because she was mad at the girl for not being able to spell her name. Cook says that Cook then allegedly left the girl alone for 6 to 9 hours without checking on her. Eventually, Cook found Alicia in a room near the attic. She was in bad shape. Cook eventually left Alicia in a room next to a space heater where the girl had later died. Temperature in the house barely 50 degrees. Now, instead of calling for help, Cook just prayed Alicia would get better. The state said she didn't call 911 because Cook had a warrant out for her arrest. Now, Cook's defense attorney, Bill Gallup, at times today becoming heated towards both the witnesses and the prosecution. But Gallup did conclude that this case is simply about a poor black woman who had a big heart and an empty purse. Now, at one point telling the judge if his client had the same privileges as the attorneys prosecuting her, the tables would have been turned. Gallup says Cook did, in fact, try to warm Alicia, tried to give her a blanket and a massage. Now, Cook faces up to 20 years in prison, but her fate will be decided tomorrow at 9 a.m. Judge Schatz with the verdict because this is a bench trial. There is no jury. John.